Thermostat terminals can show no voltage even when the thermostat appears powered and set because of overlooked procedural delays or component failures, preventing a control signal from reaching the system. Check for the common 5-minute compressor delay that many cooling systems enforce after recent shutdown. This factory safety delay prevents immediate compressor restart and will show no call for cooling at the outdoor unit even though the thermostat indicates cooling. Verify the thermostat is actually calling the correct system mode and fan setting by listening for an audible click at the thermostat when changing modes. If no click is heard, inspect the thermostat faceplate and batteries or internal power supply, because a failed display can mislead you into thinking the unit is active. Test the transformer secondary at its terminals with a multimeter to confirm the presence of the required 24-volt alternating current. If the transformer is open or the fuse on the control board is blown, replace the fuse or transformer as specified by the equipment manual. Check for an open door or access panel switch on the furnace or air handler, which will interrupt control circuits and show 0 volts at remote terminals until the panel is properly seated. Examine all wire terminations at both the thermostat and control board for loose screws, corrosion, or broken conductors. Remove and restrip a small section of wire and secure it under the terminal screw to restore reliable contact. Finally, when troubleshooting, isolate the thermostat by removing it from the base and measuring at the control board to determine whether the problem is in the wiring and equipment or in the thermostat itself. 3 frequent mistakes are assuming the thermostat display equals a valid control signal, misinterpreting normal compressor delay as equipment failure, and neglecting to check control fuses or door switches. Fix the first by confirming a voltage call at the control board. Fix the second by waiting out the 5-minute interlock and verifying calls during a deliberate mode change. And fix the third by visually inspecting and testing fuses and safety interlocks before replacing major components. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors for HVAC, electrical, plumbing, and other trades, offering reviews and job matching tools tailored to project size and urgency. Contractors can create profiles to receive qualified leads and showcase completed work to grow their business.